Oh, hey, hey, you said that? Yeah. Yeah. What's up? I was just washing my hands. Listen, I was just moisturizing my hands. Today's video, I've done some research, you know what I'm saying, and I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna teach you how to clean your neck hair tie properly, okay? Stay tuned for the 10 commandments of the neck hair tie. More like 7, I don't know anymore. But you know what I'm trying to say, you get the point, alright? Let's get it.
Yeah. Glitch. Let's get it. Chagola Melo. Whoa.
So yeah, I got me a list right here because obviously I've done my research, you know what I'm saying? I don't like talking bollocks, you know what I'm saying? So here is what I found. If you want to wash your neck, hair tie or headband, I don't care, dry anything that Dri-Fit properly. Alright? So put it in the machine on cold water with colors that are similar, you know what I'm saying? Because some colors can just come out and spill on other. You use powder detergents, and under no circumstances use a liquid one, you know what I'm saying? Mainly use sports apparels detergents, you know what I'm saying? Such as those that are meant for cold wash. Any other powder detergents. If possible, avoid putting your neck hair tie or anything that's not Dri-Fit in the dryer. But if you really have to do that, then you should put it on low, the tumbler on low. Do not, under any circumstances, use bleach. Never. If you use bleach, I'm gonna come slap you personally. Okay? Do not use dryer sheets or fabric softeners. And final ones, I'm gonna call these amendments of the neck hair tie. Never ever bring it to the dry cleaners. One bonus thing I got for you guys is that you need to avoid washing your neck hair tie with denim fabric or clothes that have zips and stuff. If you want to keep it in good condition, yeah. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. Go grab a Nike hair tie in the description, you know what I'm saying? Got a couple of things on sales in Nike, you know what I'm saying? Up to 50%, so yeah, go down in the description, you know what I'm saying? It was your boy Thanos.
I'm from the Brooklyn ex-AJ, man mistake with a pen like JK, true say I ain't